AirTalk Wireless allows you to share your phone's data with other devices using a hotspot. First, you'll need to add a tethering add-on to your plan. These start at $5 a month for 5 gigabytes of high-speed data. You can add this through the AirTalk app, website, or by calling customer service at 1-800-378-1684. Secondly, configure your access point name APN settings. This is crucial for a stable data connection. For Android devices, manually input these settings. Name AirTalk, APN, MSC Net, MS3 TrackPhone.com, MMS port. Leave username and password blank. iOS devices often configure this automatically. After adding the tethering add-on and configuring your APN, enable the hotspot on your phone. On Android, go to Settings, then Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. On iOS, go to Settings, then Personal Hotspot. Turn on the hotspot to allow others to join. Once enabled, turn the hotspot on and connect your other devices using the Wi-Fi password displayed on your phone. If you encounter issues, ensure you have an active SIM and sufficient data balance. Restart your device if needed. For optimal security, use WPA3 encryption on your hotspot. If problems persist, contact AirTalk support.